Many people tend to not use Claude at its full potential, so today I will show you how you can create and use skills inside of the app. So let's get right into this. First, you want to just open up a new chat, type in the skill and choose and look for skill creator. This is a skill made by Anthropic that would just make it so it's a lot easier, and it has all the structure and the fundamentals on how to create a good skill. As you can see, it will create a new skill, modify and improve the existing, measure skill performance, etc. This is basically a brief of the skill. So for this, I just want to create a skill that would create copywriting for my blogs. So let's get right into this. I will just start to type skill creator, create a new skill for creating copy for my blogs, and that would be it. Ask me questions. So first we have the invocation, then what I want, and then I just ask Claude to ask me question in order to verify. For that, it started to read the actual skill creator skill, which is in a skill.md5, which stands for markdown, which is a type of document that is really common, and you will find it everywhere, especially in Claude Code. And now it used the tool of how to tutorials and give me a couple of options over whatever I want. That's why I asked him, ask me questions, so it could clarify and understand exactly what I want. So I will just have how to tutorials, professional but approachable, and SEO meta. After that, we're just going to wait for Claude to think about it, create the structure, and see if it has any other questions for us. If not, it will just start to create it. Okay, we will have to do this in token software, SEO meta in full blog draft. We have a short form blog. So I think now Claude exactly has enough context in order to understand what we need, so it will start to create the following skill. The output is done, and we can take a look at the following copy of the actual skill. And it started with write a blog copy with a description, when it'll get triggered by what kind of words, like when the user says write about X or a blog post about Y, etc. So that's how it will be triggered. Then these are the following instructions that every time would get implemented into Claude memory. So like, you don't have to store a prompt to just ask it, and you can basically create a chain of skills, so that maybe I have a research one, then a blog copy, then a design, then a research for the topic, and I could just chain them one by one. And I can even mention down here chain to XYZ skill. So right now we only have to press one more button, which is this one, the download one. Just save so we can have it and use it elsewhere. Then just click copy. And with clicking the copy, it now gets installed into our Claude code. Okay, now let's check it out. We'll just go to our customize tool, skills, and we can see it right here, blog copywriter. And now let's start a new chat and invoke it. So we can do this in two ways. We can just type the actual name of the skill, so blog copywriter, in which I will just type the message and say, for example, create a blog about Claude Code. This, or I can just tell Claude simply to create a blog, and since we have write a blog copy, etc., it already knows that it should invoke the following skill, and it will use it automatically. So let's go for incognito, let's create a new chat and go back here and just say create a blog for Claude Code, and we will see how this skill gets triggered. We'll get a notification right here. Okay, we see read the blog copywriter skill. So it activated the skill, and then it will just start and take my prompt, push it basically through the skill like a filter, then come up with a result. As we can see, it start to look at sources, start to draft it, and we'll come back with a result. Claude is done with the task, and we can see that the blog is ready. With the Claude MD setup, it's the full package. It tells us everything that we need. How to install it, how to in it. I will just paste that to Claude, and that would be it. In Claude Code, let's say I will have the browser and just put it there, launch it, and it will be live on my website. So that would be it. As a short recap, in order to create a skill, just type skill creator, tell whatever it needs, make or tell the AI to ask you questions so you can really pinpoint what you need. After that, you just have to download it with the button. Then you could check it right here in this tab, which is customize skills, and you will see it here, and you can enable or disable it with this switch, or delete it or edit in line. There are many things, but for the basics you got everything you need. So thank you for your attention. See you in the next one.